Limit is t goes to 6 of 6 minus t over t squared minus 3t minus 18. The first thing we're going to do is try plugging the 6 in for all of the t's. In the numerator we have 6 minus 6. In the denominator we're going to have 6 squared minus 3 times 6 minus 18. 6 squared is a 36, so in the denominator we'll have 36 minus 18 minus 18. In the numerator, the 6 minus 6 is 0. The denominator, 36 minus 18 minus another 18 is also a 0. We have the 0 over 0 indeterminate form, and this needs to be reworked. Since these are power functions, we can try the factor and cancel method. So limit is t goes to 6. The numerator doesn't factor. I'll keep that as 6 minus t. The denominator does factor. It's a trinomial factoring. We'll have a t and a t. We need two numbers that multiply to be negative 18. One will need to be positive, one will need to be negative for that to happen. And they need to add to a negative 3 for that middle term. And therefore I would choose negative 6 and a positive 3. So we'll put a negative 6 here and a positive 3. That should take care of that factoring. You can now see where we're ending up with the 0 over 0, the 6 minus t and the t minus 6. Those will be able to cancel once they're exactly the same form. They're opposite signs right now, so we're going to need to factor a negative out of one of them. I'm going to opt for the numerator. So let's factor a negative out of the numerator. That'll change the t to become positive and the 6 to become a negative. And in the denominator, we also have that same t minus 6. That's what's making 0 over 0 in the first place. And now those can cancel with each other. Let's cancel those out. We no longer have the 0 over 0. Rather a negative 1 over a t plus 3. We can now plug the 6 in for the t, and we're resulting in negative 1 over 9.